I'm Dr. Stacy Grossfeld. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and this is your public service announcement for the weekend. We are supposed to have amazing weather this weekend in Louisville. Please hire out trimming trees and cleaning your gutters, and this is why. This is a CT scan of a calcaneal fracture. So this is your heel bone. This is the fracture line going here, 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 here. Another fracture line going here, another broken bone here, and another broken bone here. This is from someone who fell out of a tree while trimming the limbs. And we see this all the time where people are trying to do it yourself, clean out your gutters, do it yourself, trim your trees. Hire this out the professional, because if you get this, which also looks like this is a different image, this is all fractures, you then get this. And you get a 5-month vacation from work.